Quick Dependent Views is in the Naviate menu under Sheet Manager. While the feature Create Dependent View allows you to create multiple views based on scope boxes on selected plan views, Quick Dependent View allows you to create dependent views for each scope box in a floor plan with a single click. You can find out more on how to create dependent views in a separate video. To create a dependent view, you need to duplicate a view as dependent. If you use scope boxes, you add your scope box to the view. You will have access to use all your visible scope boxes in the view to create a dependent view and add a scope box. Pre-select scope boxes and run the feature. You will now have dependent views. You can also use 3D Zone to create a dependent view or a filled region. You need to choose from what type you wish to create a dependent view. If you, as an example, use 3D Zone as type, you will get a dependent view of the 3D Zone area.